To use Zelle with Direct Express, you will need to start by ensuring you have a Direct Express card and a mobile device with internet access. First, download the Zelle app from your device's App Store and create a Zelle account if you do not already have one. Next, link your Direct Express card to Zelle by selecting Add Account and following the prompts to enter your card information. You will need to provide the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once your account is linked, you can send money using Zelle by selecting Send Money and entering the recipient's email address or phone number. Choose your Direct Express card as the funding source and enter the amount you want to send. Review the transaction details and confirm the send. To receive money, provide your email address or phone number to the sender and ensure your Direct Express card is linked to Zelle. When you receive a payment, the funds will be automatically deposited into your Direct Express card account. It is essential to note that Zelle transactions typically occur within minutes, and there may be limits on the amount you can send or receive. Be sure to review the Zelle terms and conditions and your Direct Express card agreement to understand these limits and any potential fees. To get the most out of using Zelle with Direct Express, keep your account information up to date, monitor your transactions regularly, and only send money to people you trust by following these steps and best practices. You can safely and conveniently use Zelle with your Direct Express card to send and receive money.